Hi guys, welcome to Excited for Coupons. I'm going to be sharing with you a quick haul that we were able to do. I wasn't able to do any of the PNG deals since I don't have any of the inserts, but my total came out to just 71 cents out of $27. So let's just get started. The first deal we did was purchase the water that cost. It's on special for $1.88, but the regular price is $3.99. We purchased three, so on those three, we were able to save more than $6. So it came out to $1.88. If you want to do this deal, keep in mind that it's only for 3 days. So after Tuesday, it's going to go back to $2.77. The second deal was for the Clean and Clear jelly mask. I wasn't sure if how it was going to come out since sometimes when you buy one, the other one that's 50% off, sometimes they just take off the $149, but in this case they did deduct $2 on each item. So I purchased one for $2.99. The other one came out to $1.49. I used both coupons, deducting two, which is a printable coupon, and I'm going to share that in the description box in case you're interested of doing this deal. And it came out to just 48 cents since you don't get back any ECBs, or just 24 cents each mask. This printable coupon, $2 off any eye cosmetics for CoverGirl, was available for so many weeks, and I still had a few. So what I did was I purchased two of the CoverGirl brow. The deal is if you buy any two, you get 5 ECB back. The price at my store was for $4.79 each, so my total came out to $9.58. I used two of those coupons, deducting two each, and I came out paying $5.58, but I got back a 5 ECB, making it 58 cents for both items. Just on these few items alone, my total would have been $27.53. This is before taxes. So that's how much I would have paid, and this is why I love couponing, because with the coupons we used, and also we had 6 ECBs on beauty rewards, meaning that because we purchased beauty items, we got back 3 ECB. So in total we got 6, so we were able to use that as a form of payment, which would have made this total $6.71 out of pocket, which is still pretty good since the waters were on special and there was no coupon for that. But paying with those 2 ECBs for beauty rewards, that was a total of $6. My haul came out to just 71 cents for everything you see in the picture. So I wanted to share my quick trip, even though it doesn't have any PNG deals since I couldn't get the inserts, but I just wanted to share with you in case you want to do some of these deals too. So this was my quick haul. It was quick, but it was just 71 cents. And I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, I invite you to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video too, so others could save as well with coupons. So thank you so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so. And until the next video. Bye.